School at Home. Today we will be doing 2 DIYs. The first one is microwave puffy paint. The second is a calming jar. Let's get started. The first one, we are going to do the microwave puffy paint. Here we have 1 cup of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're just going to give that a good mix. And then we're going to give it water until it is the consistency of pancake batter. Okay, once it is the consistency of pancake batter, we are going to split it into a few bags. Now that we have split it into our bags, we are going to add a little bit of food dye to each one. Once you have added your food dye, you are going to zip up the bags and you are going to mix the colors in. Alright, now that we have all of the colors mixed in, we are going to squish them to the very end of the bag like a piping bag. Then you are going to take scissors and you are going to snip off the tiniest bit at the end. And you will do that for each of your bags. Now that we have cut each of the tips on our bag, we are going to make a design on any paper you would like. Once you've finished your design, you are going to put it into the microwave for 10 to 20 seconds, however long you need. Now that it is microwaved, it is all done and it should be puffy paint. Alright, let's move on to the next DIY. Now we are going to make a calming jar. First, we're going to fill our jar with water almost full. Then we are going to add about a half a cup of clear glue. Now we are going to be adding glitter glue. Then you're going to add however much glitter you want. I'm going to start off with pink. And blue. You're going to mix that together until mixed very well. Now, if you want more glitter, you will add it, and we will do some baby oil. We are going to be doing 3 tablespoons of baby oil. You're going to give that a mix. And now you're going to pour out any extra liquid to make sure you can shut it all the way. Alright, now if you want food coloring, you will add that. And now we just have to glue on the lid. I'm just putting the glue on the back of a spoon. And rubbing it around the lid, in the back of the lid. And you're going to seal that tightly. And there you have a calming jar. Thanks for watching. Bye.